So you see here, I had ordered this wood flooring repairing kit, and this is the drawer which I'm trying to fix it. You see these damages, and this filler kit has all these colors. You can mix and match. You can check the color like this and do it. So because on this there will be a coat which will go, so I'm not going for the usual laminate method. All I'm trying to do is match the color like this, you see, and obscure these patches slowly, and it's quite handy. Once you start filling in, these patches will go. So I'm doing it here, you see, these are all damages, trying to obscure this and try to get to the pattern, then do some sanding, and I'll show you the final result once it is done. So I'm halfway, and you can see this is pretty much covered, and some more filling I need to do. This is good.